25 Must Visit Destinations of the Netherlands for Summer 2025. Welcome to the Info Max. In today's video, we'll take you on an exciting tour of the top 25 must-visit destinations in the Netherlands that you absolutely cannot miss in summer 2025. From historic landmarks to breathtaking natural sights, we'll blend travel inspiration with fascinating historical stories to give you the ultimate trip planning guide. If you're ready to explore vibrant cities, picturesque villages, and iconic windmills, make sure to stay with us until the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the InfoMac for more exciting videos. Let's dive right in. The Netherlands is a magical destination all year round, but summer holds special charm. Think sunny days spent biking along canals, relaxing in vibrant tulip gardens, and enjoying outdoor cafes. The country offers a delightful mix of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it perfect for travelers seeking both adventure and relaxation. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply a curious traveler, this list of 25 destinations is tailored for you. Amsterdam leads the list as the crown jewel of the Netherlands. Known for its iconic canals, this city offers something for everyone. Visit the Anne Frank House, a moving historic site that reveals the struggles of WW2, or marvel at the world-famous collection of art in the Van Gogh Museum. Don't forget to explore the picturesque streets of the Canal Belt, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As the city of freedom and creativity, Amsterdam is a must-visit. Next is the charming city of Utrecht, where history whispers through every cobblestone street. Climb the majestic Dom Tower for spectacular views, or stroll along the canals, which have unique wharf cellars now converted into cafes. Utrecht was the religious center of the Netherlands during the Middle Ages, and its history is etched into its beautiful architecture. The windmills of Kinderdijk are a symbol of Dutch identity. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kinderdijk offers 19 historic windmills that have been preserving the Netherlands from flooding for centuries. Learn about the traditional Dutch water management system as you take in the serene surroundings, an absolute paradise for photographers. Summer wouldn't be complete without visiting Keukenhof Gardens, home to millions of vibrant tulips and other blooms. Known as the Garden of Europe, this colorful paradise is a seasonal highlight. Though it's primarily famous in spring, the early summer view is equally captivating. As the home of Dutch royalty and international justice, The Hague, Den Haag, seamlessly blends history with modernity. Marvel at the elegant Binnenhof, the seat of government, or visit the iconic Peace Palace, which houses the International Court of Justice. End the day with a trip to Scheveningen Beach for some sunshine and sea breeze. If modernity is your style, head to Rotterdam, a city reborn from the ashes of WW2. Admire the futuristic Erasmus Bridge, shop and dine in the architectural Wonder Market Hall, or stroll along its bustling riverbanks. Rotterdam's art and innovation make it one of Europe's boldest cultural hubs. Delft is steeped in history and charm. Known for its handcrafted Delft blue pottery, and as the birthplace of the painter Johannes Vermeer, this picturesque town offers a unique cultural experience. Wander along its cobbled streets and reflect on its ties with the Dutch monarchy. Lovely Haarlem offers a delightful combination of history and relaxation. Visit the Grote Markt Square, the Frans Hals Museum, and the city's charming cafes. Located close to fields of tulips, Haarlem also played a central role during the Dutch Golden Age. making it a culturally rich stop on your itinerary. Step back in time at Zaanstad, an open-air museum showcasing the Netherlands as it was in the 18th and 19th centuries. Tour its traditional windmills, charming wooden houses, and artisan workshops where crafts like cheesemaking are kept alive. This is one of the best places to experience Dutch heritage. Situated near the Belgian and German borders, Maastricht is a multicultural wonder. Explore the famous St. Peter's Caves, discover ancient Roman ruins, or simply relax at the bustling Vrijthof Square. As one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, Maastricht dazzles with its history and international flair. Known to locals as Den Bosch, this city offers a perfect mix of history and modernity. Be sure to visit St. John's Cathedral, an exquisite example of Gothic architecture. Afterward, wander through the lively markets and enjoy a dose of the famous local pastry, Bosche Bol. Looking for serenity? Giethoorn is your answer. Often called the Venice of the Netherlands, this charming village is crisscrossed by canals and is best explored by boat. With no car traffic, it's a true escape into tranquility. For nature lovers, Friesland and the Wadden Islands are must-see destinations. Explore unspoiled landscapes, go birdwatching in the wetlands, or enjoy water sports in the pristine waters. The island's rich maritime heritage is an added bonus. The vibrant city of Groningen combines youthful energy with historical significance. Marvel at historical landmarks like the Martini Tower and enjoy the lively atmosphere fueled by its large student population. Groningen is perfect for those seeking a blend of culture and nightlife. Gouda might be famous for its world-renowned cheese, but it offers much more. Tour the cheese markets, explore the historic town square, or try your hand at candle making, a nod to its lesser-known crafts tradition. Visit the Netherlands' oldest city, Nijmegen, where history stretches back to Roman times. Discover the Valkhof Park, home to Roman ruins, or enjoy modern cafes and galleries nestled in centuries-old streets. For a taste of authentic Dutch culture, visit Volendam, the country's most picturesque fishing village, admire its charming wooden houses, and don traditional costumes for a photo. Volendam is a living postcard you'll cherish forever. Say hello to Alkmaar, a city where cheese reigns supreme. Watch a bustling cheese market, visit the cheese museum, or just enjoy the medieval charm of this quaint city. It's cheese heaven for food lovers. Escape to Texel Island, where beaches stretch to the horizon and wildlife thrives. Seal watching, long nature walks, and scenic bike rides make it a top destination for relaxing and reconnecting with nature. Arnhem is a city that blends history with outdoor activities. Relive WT history at the Bridge of Arnhem or dive into Dutch culture at the interactive open-air museum. The nearby Hoge Veluwe National Park is perfect for nature lovers. Known as the birthplace of Rembrandt, Leiden is a city of discovery. Wander through its canals, visit the beautiful botanical gardens, and learn about the Pilgrim Fathers before they set out for the New World. The Netherlands is more than its iconic sights. Here are a few hidden gems. Kasteel de Haar, a dreamy castle near Utrecht. Veluwe region, a haven for hiking and wildlife. Naarden, a star-shaped fortress town with fascinating military history. These off-the-beaten-path spots promise unique memories for travelers seeking something different. As you explore the Netherlands, keep these tips in mind. Rent a bike to travel like a local. Use the efficient public transportation system for easy travel between destinations. Try Dutch treats like stroopwafels, bitterballen, and herring. Learning a few basic Dutch phrases like dankjewel, thank you, or hoi, hi, will go a long way in making connections with locals. The Netherlands is a leader in sustainability. Opt for eco-friendly activities like biking and enjoy green hotels or local family-run accommodations. By supporting small businesses, you'll contribute to the preservation of Dutch traditions and communities. From bustling cities to serene landscapes, each destination on this list offers unique charms, making the Netherlands a dream destination for every kind of traveler. Whether you're immersing yourself in history or soaking in the culture, the Netherlands has it all. Let us know in the comments which destination is at the top of your list. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Info Max for more engaging travel guides and history-rich adventures. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.